Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the summer beauty kits from YesStyle. So this is a product review and also this is a sponsored video. So I've joined a campaign for YesStyle, which is for the summer beauty kit product review. So I'll show you all the products that were sent to me by YesStyle and tell you how I feel about those products. So in total, I received 5 products and I'm going to show them to you one by one.
So there are 5 products in this summer beauty kit. The first one is Aromatica's Soothing Aloe Vera Gel Tube, and the next one is from Face Republic. It's called Calming Blemish Madeccassoside Serum, and the next one is from Village 11 Factory, and it's called Derma Clear B5 Cica Cream, and the next one is from CAOLION, and it's called Relipy Relaxing Cream Mini. And the next one is from I'm From, and it's the Beet Purifying Mask. They all have very special names and some of them are very difficult to pronounce.
So the first product I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the Aromatica Soothing Aloe Vera Gel. So it can be used for both face and body, but I think I would prefer to use it for the body.
Okay, so this one is the Soothing Aloe Vera Gel. So the new bottle is sealed. So most of the aloe vera gel are quite sticky, but since this one is not that sticky. So for this aloe vera gel, it contains 99% natural formula and also 96% EcoCert certified aloe vera. So this is hydrating and soothing. So this gel helps to provide concentrated moisture while refreshing, soothing the skin. And also the ingredient is here. And also this is a vegan formula. Also, this one does not have any fragrance.
And the next product is this one. It's from Face Republic. It's called the Calming Blemish Madeccassoside Serum.
So now let's look at the serum from Face Republic. So this one, the direction says, after using toner, apply an appropriate amount onto face and neck and gently pat for better absorption. So there are the ingredients and it's for external use only. So it looks like a milky fluid. So this serum is a calming serum that soothes troubled skin and blemishes with Madeccassoside and tea tree extracts. So this one is for calming, moisturizing, mild care, and it's also vegan. So this one is like a dropper. It's quite thick. The absorption was very fast. It does feel firm, but it does not feel that soft.
And the next product is from Village 11 Factory, and this one is a Derma Clear B5 Cica Cream.
The packaging is a little bit different, as I can see the Village 11 Factory written here. So firstly, they claim that this is dermatologically tested, and it is a gel cream that contains centella extract, panthenol, and natural extracts for skin soothing effect and protection. It also soothes sensitive skin and supplies moisture and nutrition. So for directions, we have to use it as the last step of our skin routine. We can take an appropriate amount and apply gently over the entire face. So these are the ingredients. So it's written here that this is for soothing and protection, and also this has centella asiatica extract and also Madeccassoside plus panthenol. So this one is also sealed. So this is also gel consistency. So this cream is a little bit thick as it's supposed to be applied as the last step. So I believe it's quite moisturizing.
And this one is Relipy Relaxing Cream Mini.
So it has another lid so that the cream will not get on the lid. It's quite... oh no. This has a little bit of scent. It smells very herbal. This is also quite thick. So this does not have much instruction, but it's a cream. So I think it's also supposed to be the last step of the skincare routine as it's quite thick. This one is also quite hydrating.
And the last one is a Beet Purifying Mask, and it's from the brand called I'm From.
And this one is also sealed. It comes with a small spatula and it's written I'm From. So this is the Beet Purifying Mask. It has fragrance and it has a very sweet smell. So there is some information about this mask on the packaging. So this contains organic red beets harvested in Damyang, and the red beets and clay moisturize the skin and purify the impurities in pores, giving vitality to the tired skin. So to use, we have to apply the mask on a clean face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes before washing off with water. And we have to be careful so that the mask does not get into our eyes. So these are the ingredients.
So these products are for summer, so all the creams and serums are in gel form and most of them can absorb very quickly. For this relaxing cream mini, the scent is very strong. It has a very strong herbal scent. So if you don't like herbal scent, then you may not be able to tolerate this scent. So although I'm very familiar with the red ginseng scent and also some of the scent from Innisfree, but this one is really strong. So this is a wash off mask, and also I do think that when I was testing this, I applied too much product because it did take me a long time to wash off this mask. And also after applying this mask, the skin felt really soft and smooth. At the same time, it's quite moisturizing. So for this mask, after rinsing, I did find that my pores were clearer. So I do think it works, but I do want to apply it a few more times. So there are two creams in this product. So this one, the Relipy Relaxing Cream, and also the Derma Clear B5 Cica Cream. So I don't intend to use it on the same day because both of them serve the same purpose. So for now, I think I would stick with this Cica cream because both of them, the consistency is similar, but this does not have that strong scent. But something to note about this product is it does feel a little bit sticky after applying this cream. Whereas for the relaxing cream, it's not as sticky as the Cica cream. But overall, both of them are quite moisturizing. So for this aloe vera gel, I think it's a very good product for summer, especially if you're staying outdoor under the sun. Then you can apply this on your face or on your body. So for me, I would prefer to apply it on the body, and it does give you the cooling effect. So I think all of these products are great for summer and they're really worth a try. So right now I do like the serum and the mask. And for cream, although it is in gel form, it is still quite thick for summer. And for this gel cream, I think it's great for body. So if you want to try this product, you can find the link in the description down below. And also you can use my reward codes if you want to purchase anything from YesStyle. So that's all for this product review. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.